to surrender to British colonialism 118 years ago. This province also produced one of the most outstanding predecessors in the Congress Youth League, Anthony Muswake Limbede, the first president of the Congress Youth, who died 77 years ago at the age of 33. We take this opportunity to assure President Anthony Muswake Limbede that we continue to be under his ideological, political and visionary guidance of achieving freedom in our lifetime. The generation and struggle of economic freedom in our lifetime is definitely inspired by the generational mission and struggle led by Anthony Muswake Limbede, who in 1944 proclaimed freedom in our lifetime. We take this opportunity to report to President Anthony Muswake Limbede, to President Robert Sobukwe, to Congress Mbata, to AP Da, to Mkolis Majombozi, Robert Resha, and all the heroic fighters of the freedom in our lifetime generation, that we are here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal to unveil and launch a manifesto that is going to bring about true freedom to the majority of our people.